Here's my Princess Peach Lolita coordinate that I made with only things in my wardrobe. Hello Fluffies! Today I'm doing a Princess Peach Lolita transformation. So this is not a cosplay, the goal is not to look exactly like her, but I will transform myself with my Lolita wardrobe into Princess Peach. So first of all, the makeup is super light, so no eyeshadow, not really blush or anything. I will just put some big lashes and do the lips. Okay, so here's the makeup. And now let's pick the dress, the tights, the wig, the accessories. The blouse is from Lady Sloth. It's a crop top and I think it gives nice poofy sleeves, and the dress is Crystal Guardian Fairy Princess from Hanuli in the pink colorway. Then I decided to add this overskirt kind of veil that was with the Taubo dress that I think will give a little bit of this overdress that she has on her dress. I have this blonde wig from Lock Shop that is perfect because it has different length and it's not a cosplay. I'm not styling it because it's my Lolita wig. I don't want to ruin it, but I think I can do something very cute with it. This is it. So for the photos I'll try to have it very pointy here and really push back those kind of other parts of hair. I'll see what I can do. Talking about accessories, she has white gloves, so I will go with white wrist cuffs. I think she has blue big round earrings, but I will do with mint because mint and pink are my colors, and my eyes are actually also green, so it will work well. And she has a big jewel here that is also blue. Basically this dress has already a big jewel here that would be nice, but it's not the right color, so I decided to go with this big pom-pom hair necklace from Eden Made Stuff, and I think it will work well to simulate the big jewel on the chest. And since she has like a dress that has a color that is a little bit higher, I will use this necklace like this choker to simulate a little bit more pink on the neck. And the final amazing part is this crown that I made. It was a crafting meet and we could all do our crowns, and I made this crown and I think it's perfect. And then I will add my Aurora and Ariel petticoat that is the catwalk version 20 meters in the rainbow colorway. I also picked plain white tights. And for the shoes, this is the Fluffitory Simply Sweet in the glitter pink colorway. I know that she usually has red shoes or very dark pink shoes, but this is the only option I have that would match. So here's my Princess Peach Lolita coordinate that I made with only things in my wardrobe. Did you like it? Do you want me to try other characters, princesses? Write it down in the comment what I should do next. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!